Jason Kisco. I'm the supervisor of the laser department here at Corey Manufacturing. What's so cool about Corey Manufacturing would be, I guess, just the wide variety of what we do. Sort of known as a one-stop shop, so to speak. We have laser cutting, and we have machine shops and tool rooms and presses and hydroform equipment and all sorts of welding. So I think just a wide variety of what we do and just the non-repetitious work.
Since 1945, Corey Manufacturing has been producing billions of parts of various industries. Most recently, they have been developing things in aircraft manufacturing and gas turbine fields. We found cooling components for the turbine engines will be well cooled. Sheet metal is cut with layers perforated at a series of small dies, formed into the tubing inserts, sealed, inspected, and welding into the turbine cooling chamber. These tubes monitor airflow and create an air jacket around the engines to allow them to run at a higher temperature. Utilizing their full range of house services from the part design, tool development, and more, they provide a customer with a one-stop shop opportunity.
For me personally, the coolest thing about
Corey Manufacturing is there's always something new to learn. You never know what you're going to do. You could be
Laser cutting, and we have machine shops and tool rooms and presses and hydroform equipment. And
there are so many people that just make you feel very comfortable, very at home, and they're really, really helpful. When I started the robot, I had so many people that were so willing to help me, and they're great people. It's a good place to work.